Welcome to Wheels and Wonders, the channel where automotive legends meet modern marvels. Today, we're diving into the Volkswagen Beetle, a timeless icon that continues to win hearts with its distinctive design and exceptional functionality. Known for its signature rounded silhouette and compact size, the Beetle seamlessly blends vintage charm with contemporary features. Under the hood, recent models are powered by efficient turbocharged engines, ranging from 1.4L to 2.0L, delivering a perfect mix of performance and fuel economy. The Beetle's sporty handling and responsive transmission ensure a smooth and enjoyable drive, whether navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway. Step inside, and you'll find a thoughtfully designed cabin that combines retro touches with modern technology. It boasts ergonomic seating, high-quality finishes, and an advanced infotainment system featuring a touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. For music lovers, the Fender Premium Audio system offers an immersive sound experience. Safety is another area where the Beetle excels, featuring electronic stability control, anti-lock brakes, a rear-view camera, blind spot monitoring, and multiple airbags to ensure your peace of mind. Despite its compact exterior, the Beetle surprises with practical interior space, comfortably seating 4 adults while offering a versatile cargo area for daily needs or weekend getaways. With its iconic design, reliable performance, and a perfect blend of nostalgia and innovation, the Volkswagen Beetle remains a standout choice for those seeking style and functionality. Stay tuned to Wheels and Wonders for more insights and reviews of the cars that shape the world of motoring.